death. And I don't mean it metaphorically or rhetorically or poetically or theoretically or in any other fancy way. I'm death. Straight up.
TNN14. TNN14.
Lives flashing before your eyes.